I would say she's a woman of substance. Why? She has the qualities of being important and essential. When she works, she sees to it that everything is all right in all aspects. She wants it almost perfect. It must not be okay lang. For her, it should be okay pa sa all right.
Pag may ginagawa po kami, kumwari mga project, i-ano muna namin sa kuling namin sa kanya, kung mag-okay siya, doon namin i-approve na. Ngayon sa sabi nila nga, sa no collection policy, ang ginagawa ng principal namin, talagang ban yung no collection talaga.
Puso yung mga details, complaints, anonymous. The practice here is that for anonymous letter, I call the attention of the school head. At pag mayroon kang binigay na task sa kanya, agad-agad gagawin niya. She's very proactive. Sa kanya, nakikita ko na mayroon siyang political will as a leader. Because of her determination, kahit minsan limited in resources, she's able to mobilize the different stakeholders of the school. She's able to carry that out. Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang gawin at alam niya kung saan siya dapat tumutok. Kaya she's able to get results.
Lalo na sa mga bata, talagang palakaibigan. Parang kaibigan lang namin siya. Parang pamilya kami, isang buong pamilya kami.
She had already performed so much. She far exceeded what is expected of her.
Kaya po gusto po siya manalo dahil karapat-dapat po siya. Number 1 po sa amin po. Matagal na po akong officer po dito. Nakita ko po ngayon yung pamamalakad niya po ayos. Kaya good luck na lang po. Sana po number 1 po sa amin sa mga teacher at saka sa mga parent. CPT po. Solid po kami.
I am very certain that you're going to make it. Good luck and God bless.
Carry on the good job that you have been doing. I know you will still go a long way, especially for your schools. Now your school is reaping a lot of accomplishments. Keep on inspiring your teachers, your students, and do not lose focus.